Hi everyone. So I wanted to show you how to put a safety line in your knitting. So here's a safety line going across here, and then you can take your needle out and put it right down to your safety line and pick up your stitches without having to unpick every single stitch. So let's just go down here and I'll show you how to pick up your safety line. So you've got your V stitch here, your V stitch here, your V stitch here. You go into the right hand of your V stitch, then you go into the next right hand of that V stitch, then you go into the next right hand of the V stitch. Sorry if it's going a bit blurry, I'm trying to be close. And that's how you pick up your stitches all the way, making sure that you're in a long line. You pick up the right hand one, as long as you're consistent. And then, of course, you're meant to have thread on the end of your needle here. And you pull it through, you work your way all the way from one side over to the other. And that way you've got a safety line that you can go across. And now I've decided I want my cardigan to be a lot shorter than what I've done. So all the work I've done this morning, I'm going to unpull it. But that's okay, because then it'll be the right length. I decided I don't want it as long as the patchwork cardigan. And so I'm going to pull it back a bit. So I hope that helps you when you want to unpick your rows when you've made something too long, because garments do hang down and they can stretch a bit. And you just pick up the right hand of the V as you go across. Bye.